Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping back to a time before smartphones became pocket-sized computers. This little guy here, the Nokia C3-00, was released in 2010, and back then it was the phone to have if you wanted a QWERTY keyboard and a bit of social media on the go. But it's 2025 now. So what's it like to use the Nokia C3 today? Let's find out. First, the design. And honestly, it still looks great. That curved, colorful plastic body, the smooth back, and of course that full QWERTY keyboard that makes it look like a mini BlackBerry. It's light, comfortable, and surprisingly sturdy. You could drop this thing on concrete and it would probably just shrug it off. And that keyboard? Typing on it is actually fun. There's something incredibly satisfying about pressing real buttons instead of tapping a screen full of typos. Now, performance. The Nokia C3 runs on Series 40. Not Android, not iOS, just pure Nokia software. That means no App Store, no modern apps, and definitely no TikTok. But you can still call, text, and even connect to Wi-Fi for some light web browsing. Back in the day, it had Facebook and Twitter built in. A big deal at the time. In 2025, those apps don't really work anymore, but you can still use the browser to check simple websites. It's slow, yes, but also kind of peaceful. No notifications, no stress, just you and your messages. The camera is a 2-megapixel shooter, and let's be honest, it's pretty rough. No autofocus, no flash, no fancy features, just old-school, grainy photos. But there's something authentic about them. It's like looking at memories through a time machine. And here's the best part, the battery. While modern phones beg for a charger every night, the Nokia C3 lasts for days, even a full week if you're not using it much. It's the kind of phone you can take on a trip and forget the charger at home. So, what's it like using the Nokia C3-00 in 2025? It's simple, it's tough, and it reminds you that phones don't always need to be smart. Sometimes they just need to work. No distractions, no overheating, no nonsense. If you're looking for a little digital detox, this might actually be the perfect phone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which classic phone should I bring back next?